Today, we're diving into the law of assumption, a fascinating concept that suggests you can manifest anything you desire by believing it's already a reality. Intrigued by this topic and crave more? The first step is to like this video and subscribe to the channel to attract more content of this kind. A hidden gem awaits you in this video. Prepare to be amazed. What is the law of assumption? The law of assumption is a transformative principle. It posits that our personal reality is crafted by our thoughts and beliefs. This concept was extensively articulated by Neville Goddard, a notable mystic and author of the 20th century. Goddard argued that human imagination is more than a fantasy tool, it's a powerful instrument for manifesting our deepest desires into reality. He emphasized that by assuming the feeling of the desired reality and engaging in vivid, sensory-rich imagination, we can initiate its manifestation in our physical world. According to Goddard, this process is more than wishful thinking. It requires disciplined mental alignment with the emotional and psychological state matching the desired outcome. This aligns our subconscious with our conscious aspirations. How to use the law of assumption. To effectively use the law of assumption, implement the following steps: define your desire. Clearly articulate what you aim to achieve or acquire. Detail is crucial here, as it helps to focus your imagination with precision. Define not just the end goal, but also the steps that lead up to it to create a clear path forward. Visualize your desire. Engage in a vivid imagining of yourself as already having achieved your desire. Utilize all 5 senses in your visualization to make it as realistic as possible. Picture the environment, the sounds, the tactile sensations, and even the smells associated with your success. Embody the emotion, deeply feel the emotions linked to the fulfillment of your desires. Whether it's joy, relief, pride, or confidence, embracing these emotions can solidify your belief that your goal is already manifested. The stronger your emotional engagement, the more powerful the impact on your subconscious belief system. Believe and affirm. Cultivate a steadfast belief in the reality of your desired outcome. Consistently affirm this through positive affirmations and mental rehearsals. This helps root out doubts and fosters a supportive mindset. Act as if. Begin to take actions aligned with your new reality. Behave and make decisions as if you've already achieved your desire. This strategy reinforces your belief and triggers the manifestation process by aligning actions with thoughts and emotions. Practice patience and persistence. Manifestation may not occur overnight. Maintain focus and continue practicing persistently. Patience and persistence often prove essential in seeing desires turn into reality. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on your progress and feelings. If you notice resistance or if results aren't appearing, consider adjusting your visualizations or emotional engagement. This reflection can help fine-tune your approach, making your application of the law of assumption more effective. Tips for applying the law of assumption. Consistency is key. Commit to regular practice of the law of assumption. The more consistently you apply this technique, the more ingrained it becomes in your subconscious, enhancing its effectiveness. Set aside a specific time each day for visualization and emotional alignment exercises. Persistence pays off. Understand that results from using the law of assumption might not be immediate. It's important to maintain your practice and keep refining your approach. If one method of visualization doesn't seem to work, try adjusting the details or the emotional focus until you find what resonates best with your intentions. Cultivate gratitude. Make it a habit to acknowledge and appreciate any progress or manifestation, no matter how small. Gratitude not only elevates your mood but also aligns your vibration with the energy of receiving, which can accelerate the manifestation process. Surround yourself with positivity. Enhance your environment with reminders of your goals and aspirations. This could be motivational quotes, images, or any items that symbolize your desires. A positive environment supports a positive mindset, which is crucial for effective assumption. Keep a journal. Document your journey with the law of assumption. Recording your experiences, feelings, and the outcomes you observe can provide insights into what techniques are most effective for you. This journal can also serve as a motivational tool when you see how far you've come. Engage in mindful meditation. Incorporate meditation into your routine to help clear your mind of negativity and doubt. This practice can enhance your focus during visualization and strengthen your emotional resonance with your desired outcomes. We created a video about that, and you can find it at the end of this video. Share your experiences. Sometimes, discussing your goals and experiences with others can reinforce your belief in the law of assumption. Sharing can also provide you with external support and encouragement, which might be beneficial during times when you feel less motivated. The law of assumption in action. Many real-life stories illustrate the effectiveness of the law of assumption, showcasing its power across various facets of life. For instance, someone might successfully apply this technique to secure a new job. They could do this by regularly visualizing themselves in that role, embracing the feelings of satisfaction and confidence that accompany the position. Additionally, they would hold a firm belief in their eventual appointment. Such stories not only serve to inspire but also offer concrete examples of how the law of assumption can be effectively utilized. Moreover, consider the experience of individuals who have used this principle to improve personal relationships or achieve health goals. By assuming a state of improved health or envisioning successful interactions, they align their subconscious expectations with positive outcomes, which often manifest in reality. These examples further demonstrate the law of assumption's broad applicability and its potential to transform various areas of one's life. Furthermore, the law of assumption applies to attracting money. People who regularly imagine themselves in prosperous scenarios, feel abundant, and firmly believe in their financial success often attract opportunities for monetary gain. This shift in mindset aligns their actions with wealth creation, resulting in tangible financial success. How do I attract a specific thing or many things together? It is also possible to focus on one desire at a time, manifesting one thing and then another. This approach can help maintain clarity and intensity in the assumption process. For example, you might dedicate several weeks or months to the manifestation of a new home, fully immersing yourself in the sensations of living in that new space, decorating it in your mind to your liking. Once you feel that you have made sufficient progress in this area, you might shift your focus to another goal, such as improving your health or developing a new skill. The key is to maintain the awareness and feeling that your desires are already reality, thus allowing your physical reality to align with what you have created in your mind. This approach requires practice and dedication, but it is essential for effectively activating the law of assumption. As promised, click the meditation video here in the screen to attract your new reality, using the law of assumption.